Ezra Scarlet from Fairy Tale. This is a Patreon request from King. So let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. So we start with our one eye that we can see. So center point here, up, over to the right. And then we go diagonal, like so, and then change direction to the corner of our eye, and then back down. It's a real spiky sort of eye like that. So our bottom eyelid, just there, and then our iris. Like so, it seems like her eye is just black with a highlight. Just put a highlight there and then color this black. Eyebrow then, just this sort of big tick back that way. It's like an eyelid line underneath. And then her nose comes down from the eyebrow, curves, there's a gap, and then goes back that way. That's it for her nose. Her mouth then bumps down, across, like so, and then her bottom lip, just there. Her chin is real pointy. And because it's in 3/4 pose, right, you have two different lines on either side. So you've got like coming out from the chin here, jawline, and then cheek line over here. So it kind of like curves out first and then back up around her cheek. Up to the eye, right? It's got like hair, meets hair somewhere here. Right, like that. So she's got lots of hair, long hair, so spikes coming down, goes back up. Like so, right? And then comes down across her body, this fringe, but at the front here first, I guess we'll do those. Remember, if I go too fast, hit pause. Right. And then a long one here, and then a really long one. So this comes down sort of across her chest, body down here. Like that. So the back of her head comes out from here, curves around. They cut off at the top of my page, but we'll go around as best we can. So it goes right up to the top and then back down here, right? And there's another long piece of hair that kind of disappears behind her torso, sort of in there somewhere. And then we like some more texture lines, like so, and then her ear just in behind there. So it's hard to make out the top, but we've got like a bow or something up here. So then she has this long ponytail that comes down behind her body, right? So it goes down this way. But we stop it there, and the inside sort of there somewhere. This flows down behind her back. So we got her neck here, right? Center line for her chest is like there, right? And then there's another neck muscle here, and then like collarbones that go across towards her shoulders. So we have one shoulder coming out from behind the hair here. Can't really see, maybe a little bit like there. And the other shoulder is the outstretched arm, so it's raised up and it's real big. So then this hair goes in behind there. So like just underneath this is where her back is. Right, so it's like a curved line going in towards her waist there. Right, so underneath there. And then her waist sort of curves in and then out, like so. So there's a big arm here, but we'll just finish her torso. So then her chest, out and around, like so. Right, and then her stomach goes that way. She has all bandages across her chest. This just like curves across like that, and the bottom of it comes across her stomach, and then there's all lines in between that. Okay, so it'll be like our stomach line there. And then some more bandage lines basically. Going across there. That, and then we have like the center line for our chest just done with these hatching sort of lines here. It's sort of on the edge like that. Then we can see some of our arm going down that way. Right. And then this arm, so it's all foreshortened. What that means is you just draw these kind of bumps because it's coming like quite close to the camera. Or if you imagine there was a camera. Right, kind of like that. Because it's outstretched, it's foreshortened. It looks shorter, you know, than if the arm was out long. And we have our armpit sort of line here. There's all these scratches and stuff on her as well. So she's obviously been fighting. Right, and I'll just finish this hair. So it's down behind her arm. Behind her back, and then sort of flows out this way. Crazy long hair. Right, so a sword pointing, right? So again, foreshortened, so everything goes real big, right? So we have the hilt of it. Let's say here, right, so the square sort of like that, and the blade comes out from here. We just see a little bit more of her hand, right? So just represented by these lines like that, and maybe some fingers coming around the handle like that, and that's all. That's all there is for the hand, really. Might be another line over here somewhere, but we'll do that last. Handle of the sword coming out from her hand there. Getting some scratches on her body. Just tidying up some lines before I do the sword. Right, so our sword, right? So again, it's all exaggerated, the scale, right? So we go curve line there, and then like crazy big. Right, so it goes up that way. And in perspective, things get bigger as they come towards the viewer, right? So, or the lens. And that's the kind of illusion we're going for. Okay, so it really looks like it's coming towards us. A few more details on the hilt. Just like the edge of it and stuff. Another line going around. And then these sort of half moon shapes. There, and then maybe we can see some of her thumb or something. Just there. And another sword line going up that way, and then we got this spiky, bumpy, like so. Okay. Maybe another scratch or something there. A little top lip dot or something there. Okay, so Ezra Scarlet. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the request, King. Anyone else, head over to Patreon if you have requests that you'd really like me to draw, and I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.